I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Today we're bringing the scrambled eggs one level up, and we're going to make it a Greek style, and it's called Strapatsada. I don't know if I pronounced it right, did I? So welcome to Let's Google It, everyone, and today we're gonna make Strapatsada breakfast. It's a Greek style scrambled eggs, and trust me, you make it once, you will never go back to regular scrambled eggs. And very simple, very easy. We're gonna start with the onion and the garlic first. Onion and garlic, fine chop. And we're going to sweat the onion and the garlic. We don't need color on them, so start your stove on a medium low. And extra virgin olive oil straight from Greece. Be generous with the olive oil. Onion, garlic in. A little bit of salt. It takes 5 to 6 minutes to sweat them. In the meantime, I'm gonna start chopping some tomatoes. Very important for this recipe is the garlic, onion, and tomato to be fine chopped. Perfect. Now tomatoes goes with the onion and the garlic. And we're gonna cook the tomato just to soften up a little bit. Now we're gonna crack the eggs and have it ready. Whisk it very well. Set on the side, and here I have some feta cheese. So the feta cheese, we're not gonna put it like this, and we're gonna crumble it. So make sure all the feta cheese, they are crumbled, and feta cheese we put almost at the end. Tomatoes looking good. Now you can turn the stove up to medium heat. Eggs goes in. Let it cook for a minute, minute and a half. Then give it gentle stir. Then add the feta cheese and keep cooking till most of the water evaporated and it look like soft scrambled eggs. For the bread, I leave it up to you. You can choose your favorite bread. My favorite is a country style old-fashioned Greek bread, and thinly sliced and ready to go in the toaster. Perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now, finish it with cracked black pepper, a little touch of chili flakes, a few oregano leaves, and now let's enjoy. Well, for sure I'm enjoying it. Strapatsada, Greek style scrambled eggs breakfast. Now all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.